It's a code of ethics that is everywhere. On your business card, on all the documents, in your office, in every wall of your office, in every room in the building, everywhere. And you hear it every day. We believe in honesty, we believe in truth, we believe in serving the customer, whatever are the 4 or 5 core values of the organization. It's the identity of the organization. It's like you, as a person, you have certain core values. Without those, it's not you, it's somebody else. Okay? We're going to come to that. We're going to talk about that. Yes?
I have a question. Do you
Yes.
think there are such companies in Cyprus, especially during this economic period? They value more this kind of
Yes, I will tell you.
things rather than
I will tell you one. I can tell you a few.
profit.
Amdocs. Another one. There is one company run by Mr. Papaprodromou. It is in, what is it called, this company? Tower. It is as you go from Nicosia towards Limassol. Is before you reach Nisu on the left. There's a little church in it. It looks more like a house, but it's a company that is doing a lot of business internationally. We had 3 or 4 girls, graduates of MBA, work there. When I went there, I never seen anything like this. I never seen employees and employers so much working like a family. Unbelievable.
What sort of business do
They do some kind of technology, software, serving different companies in terms of different business services, international. But I was amazed. Even it was late. The boss was telling them to go home. The one was 9 months pregnant. And he says to me in front of her, I beg her, I honestly beg her to stay home for the last month of her pregnancy. She insisted coming to work.
Is it a secret company or is it an international or secret?
Secret company, but works international. And very profitable. It's making, it's have some of its best years now, while other companies which are domestically oriented, inward oriented, they're losing money, they're firing people. He recently advertised he want to hire 3 more people. He said the same. We have to change that mentality that business is, I blind you and open your eyes. What it says in Greek, it means I blind you to sell you something and open your eyes when you buy. This is the idea in Cyprus of a business, the old idea. It shouldn't be that way. A business is a team, is working together towards a common purpose. When the company does well, the employees should benefit as well. But if we have the idea again of going in the middle of the night and counting the money and to feel happy because we're piling up the money.
But the bad thing is that the owners of the companies at the moment are those people with those ideas. Most of them. And that's why.
But those people are getting old and will die, and you will be the new ones. You will be the new ones.
Generation X.
And better this generation changes this. We don't want the next generation of businessmen to be like the old ones. Right? We need to build a new society, a new culture in this place. Right? Not only in this place, in other countries as well. I'm not talking just about Cyprus. Right? Okay, guys. Great, let me see what you have to do now, because you have time. You are going to do the following, okay? First, you are going to do the test, remember the test? The implicit association test. You do it at least 3. When I say at least 3, I don't necessarily mean only 3. At least 3. Otherwise, I would have said at most, at least. It takes 5 minutes each. Second,
3 tests.
At least. Second, on Moodle, you have a posting called cases in business ethics?
There's nothing on
It is.
Just today at
Why
6
not?
o'clock recently.
It should have been before. Anyway, there is a business cases, okay? I would like you, and there is in the beginning 15 short cases. 15 short cases. I like you to choose out of these 15 cases any 3 cases you want, any 3 cases, and respond to them. How would you resolve the dilemma?
How big we should be.
Each case is 1 paragraph. And how much you write?
Yeah,
1 paragraph.
1 paragraph.
Yeah, in each. I don't believe in asking you to write too much. I believe in asking you to think too much. Okay? So think about how you resolve, I said choose 3 cases out of the 15. And think how you will resolve them, the dilemma that is being posed. I'm talking about the first 15 cases, 1 out of the first 15 cases, not the second set, which are, no, the first set the first set is 20 cases, and the second set is 15. I'm talking about the first 20 cases, which are 1 paragraph each. I'm not talking about the second set, which is more than a page each. The ones which are a paragraph each. Not the ones who have questions at the end, the ones that do not have questions at the end.
Type it.
First. Do it as you like. Bring it with you. The third thing you have to do,
Coming on Saturday, right? Not next Saturday.
no, the third thing you have to do is not for Saturday, it is for Monday. And it is the response to you see the video, there's a video called Bigger Than Enron. The assignment is already on Moodle, tells you what to do. It's Bigger Than Enron, the movie. Enron, Bigger Than Enron, and you answer 5-6 questions that follow. After you see the movie, it's asking you what causes the problem with Enron, what is this, what is that, therefore others, and so on. And I don't expect, it tells you how much each answer is 5 lines or something like this. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to do a lot of things. And there is also a quiz there, which was at least, I believe, 2 of the 3 questions we already answered them in class anyway, but look at the quiz, which is online. It's only 3 questions, I think, but it's just, I think we answered the 2 in class anyway. Anyway, but that's for Monday, okay? For Saturday, I told you, the only thing I want for Saturday is the 3 things you do with the implicit association test on the computer, and you print the results and bring it to class. And the second 3, the 3 small cases, short cases, business cases, which you try to respond to them, okay, with a small paragraph. Okay? That's it.
Can we get the password for the
For the Moodle? Get it from your colleagues, I don't know what. See you on Saturday at 9. Saturday at 9. And remember, if you haven't given me the benchmarking paper, please leave it with me.